In topology, a branch of mathematics, local flatness is a property of a submanifold in a topological manifold of larger dimension. In the category of topological manifolds, locally flat submanifolds play a role similar to that of embedded submanifolds in the category of smooth manifolds. Suppose a d-dimensional manifold N is embedded into an n-dimensional manifold M. If we say N is locally flat at X if there is a neighborhood of X such that the topological pair is homeomorphic to the pair, with a standard inclusion of as a subspecific. That is, there exists a homeomorphism such that the image of coincides with. The above definition assumes that, if M has a boundary, X is not a boundary point of M. If X is a point on the boundary of M, then the definition is modified as follows. We say that N is locally flat at a boundary point X of M if there is a neighborhood of X such that the topological pair is homeomorphic to the pair, where is a standard half-space and is included as a standard subspace of its boundary. In more detail, we can set N. We call N locally flat in M if N is locally flat at every point. Similarly, a map is called locally flat, even if it is not an embedding, if every X in N has a neighborhood U whose image is locally flat in M. Local flatness of an embedding implies strong properties not shared by all embeddings. Brown proved that if D equals n-1, then N is collid, that is, it has a neighborhood which is homeomorphic to n times 0, 1, with n itself corresponding to n times 1/2 or n times 0.